So Bitcoin bounced here from 22,000 US dollars. We went to the next Fibonacci level right here. What can we expect with Bitcoin next? Are we going to get another pullback right here, or can Bitcoin maybe see a breakout? In today's video, I will answer that question together with which signals you should be watching in the chart in order to know what's going on with Bitcoin. So guys, let's jump straight into it. First of all, I want to share this with you guys. I shared a tweet. The Bitcoin CME futures chart closed at 22.6k, which basically means that most likely around Monday or Sunday evening, we will be most likely around this level of 22.6k. Right now, we are also trading around this level, slightly above it, but this is something that we are seeing quite often. So when the CME futures chart closes at a specific level during the weekend, we are seeing the price going higher and lower. But in the end, when we are opening again, it's often, at least that's what I'm noticing, it's often that we open again at 22.6k, at least at the level where we close the CME futures. Is the main support right now is at 22k. We did got a nice bounce from 22k. Actually, quite precisely, Bitcoin is still holding within that structure. So basically, in a shorter term time frame, we are trading between these two fib levels, 38.20% at 22k and at the 23.60% at 22,900. So this is the basic short-term range that I'm looking at. If Bitcoin were to come down and were to lose 22,000, then yeah, I definitely think we can see a further drop in the price of Bitcoin, at least to the next fib level at 21.4, 21.5k, but maybe even see lower levels, as 22k is right now just quite an important support if you ask me. Above us, we have a very important level, that is the 23,500. We have the declining resistance of this potential bull flag coming in, which would be right now at 23,150, 140 roughly. Of course, if we would break that, that would be rather more bullish than bearish. But we have another resistance above us at 23,500, which I will show to you guys in a sec. First of all, I want to go to the 4-hour time frame and show you what we are seeing on the relative strength index. Here we get a low on the relative strength index, which is right here, roughly right here. We can already see that the RSI is retracing further down, while the price is not retracing as far as the relative strength index. The low here is lower than this low, and in the price we actually set a higher low. So that can be a bullish development. I do want to mention it is weekend, so there's less liquidity right now. So weekend price action is always less significant than when we're opening the week, Sunday evening, Sunday night, Monday morning. That is where we are going to see the more important price action stepping in again, as there is going to be more liquidity. But this is just basically what I'm seeing. So it's not looking all too bad. It really depends on what Bitcoin is going to do within this range, whether we are going to break this range, break 22,000 US dollars, or whether we are going to break up. And we can actually, that breakout to the upside, we maybe can even spot quite early, because we have a resistance here at 22,900. That could be the first level to watch. If we break that level decisively, we might get a good shot at breaking this resistance at 23,150, 23,100, between that zone. That could be a good shot of breaking 23,500. If we break 23,500, that would actually be very bullish for Bitcoin. As I will show you in the following chart, we got a declining resistance over on the relative strength index on the 4-hour time frame. Maybe that is a nice indicator as well. Maybe we can also draw it like this, and we already are seeing the breakout. It is possible, but I want to be slightly cautious here if we are not yet seeing that in the price. So we do see some form of a declining resistance also over on the 1-hour time frame, where we did get a break from right now retesting. That can be a early signal of bullish momentum entering Bitcoin, but I also want to see the structure breaking out, of course. Then let's go to the other chart I want to show you guys. That is the Bitstamp chart. There we got that beautiful falling wedge formation. Let me zoom out. Let me get rid of the indicators. Then you know exactly what I mean with important resistance. So here we got this falling wedge formation. We broke it out to the downside. We got a small period of trading sideways right here. That resistance actually is coming down, so it's slightly below 23.5k right now. It's like 23,350 roughly. I'm talking about this level right here. If Bitcoin can break above this level, which means that we are trading back into this falling wedge formation, well, generally speaking, guys, with my experience and things that I've seen in the markets, that's rather quite a bullish move. So I would definitely expect that the chances for Bitcoin having a nice rally right here are going to be increased significantly once we break back into this chart. So guys, that is basically what I'm watching. Shorter term time frame, I'm watching 22,000 below, 23,300 roughly above us. Breakout to the upside is going to be long. Breakout to the downside is going to be taking caution or shorting if you're interested in that. Of course, I want to see what's going on with Will Portal as well. We did got an answer on what happened with the coins for Michael Saylor. It went to a different wallet. That wallet we are tracking right now on Will Portal as well. So whenever something happens with the wallet, where most likely all the Bitcoin is for MicroStrategy, then we will know it first here. We can see the selling pressure also start to increase right here. That is also looking quite nice. Bitcoin and exchanges coming down. Fear and Greed Index coming down slightly. It's all quite good. The only thing that is a little bit less bullish right now, I would say, are the funding rates. We got positive funding rates either on USDT contracts and BTC contracts. And of course, in the best case scenario, for a bullish continuation, we would like to see them negative. But yeah, sometimes not all indications are lining up. But this is basically what I'm seeing right now. If you are not doing so, guys, make sure to follow me over on Twitter. Of course, also make sure to follow Will Portal over on Twitter. We're growing very, very fast right now. We got more than 150 users. So we doubled the amount of users in just 2 weeks' time. A lot of people are using it right now, and I'm getting a lot of good comments from you guys that it's very, very helpful for your trading, especially the take buy sell ratio and the buying and selling pressure. Everything, of course, in one nice dashboard on one page, giving you basically most information that you need about the Bitcoin markets, just on a single page. And I think that is not really being offered by any other platform out there, and especially not for free. So yeah, guys, I really appreciate all the comments very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to wish all of you an awesome day today. Don't forget to follow. If you like this video, smash up that like button. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. And I hope to see all of you in the next video.